I can't believe how fast and easy it is to set up analytics and know exactly how your users are using your app. Don't believe me? Check the timestamp. Hey everybody, welcome back. My name's Fergie and I'm a UX designer based in London. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Google Analytics to track app events and analyze how your users are using your app. This is available in both the Business App Upgrade and the Advanced plan. There is no design tags needed for this one, just a published app and a Firebase project. It could not be simpler, so let's get started. For context, we're going to continue using our previous app example from the last tutorial, which is our wellness app. So I've already got that here, and I'm going to need a few of the details from the publish screen. So I'm going to go ahead and open that here. I'm going to need the package name to set up the Firebase project. If you haven't already done that, I'll show you exactly how to do that too. So over here in Firebase, once you've logged in, there's two ways of enabling and setting up the analytics. If you already have a project, you can open that project, go here in the menu bar and select Analytics, Dashboard, and you should get this orange header bar here, and you just need to select Enable Google Analytics, select your default account, and Enable. And this is what that Analytics dashboard is going to look like. Now, obviously there is no data here just yet because we have only just turned this on. And in order to see data here, I need to make sure that we create a new build with the JSON file, which I'll show you in just a minute because we're now going to do this from scratch. But if you already have a project that you're wanting to use, that is how you enable the analytics. So I'm going to go back to my Firebase homepage and I'm going to add a new project. And we're going to call this one Analytics Wellness App. Continue, and just make sure this is selected. So you've toggled this on, so you're going to enable the Google Analytics. Hit continue. Here I'm going to select that default Firebase account and create the project, and this will just take a few minutes. Now that our project is ready, we can hit continue. And we're going to be adding this to our app. Now mine is Android, so I'm going to select Android. And then this is where I need my package name. So I'm going to copy this, paste it in here. You could add the app nickname, the signing certificate, but they're optional. So I'm going to go ahead without those. Now this is the config file that we need. This is the JSON that we're going to have to upload into Bravo. So click on this to download it. I'm going to select next. Next, and continue to console. And again, if I were to click Analytics Dashboard that we've just set up with this new project, we'll get that same view. And again, it won't have any data because we've not yet put this JSON file into our app and had some app usage from the App Store. So this is why you need it to be a published app. Now that I have turned on the analytics and I have my JSON file, I can go back to Bravo Studio and I'm going to go to the integrations. I'm going to head over first to Firebase config. This is where you would drag and drop this new JSON file. So for example, I will remove this previous version and drag and drop to upload this new version, which has the analytics turned on. And then I'll select Analytics here. And you want to make sure that Firebase Analytics is enabled. And if everything is configured correctly, you'll see this green tick. If you have the exclamation mark, it means that one of the settings is not quite right. So always just go and check your config. So for me, my app is not on the Apple App Store. And you'll see I'm getting that error because I haven't uploaded JSON here. But that's because I'm only doing this for Android right now. Now that that's done, I'm going to go to Publish and create a new build of my app. So I'm going to go ahead and enter all of my key store information. So now I've uploaded my key store, entered my credentials. I'm going to get my publishable AAB and start that build. Once the build is complete, I'll be able to create a new release within my Google Play Store console. And once that has been published to the App Store, the analytics will be running in the background and in no time I will be able to see some data. Let me show you what that actually looks like. So here you can see from where I've already tested this that I'm actually getting some data back. I can see when my users are using my app, I can see which app version they're on, how many users have been online in the last 30 minutes. I can see things like the usage time, the engagement time, the retention. I can see which screens they have been on and been using. All kinds of data breakdowns. Now you know how to integrate Google Analytics. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!